the Duke and Duchess of Sussex flew off on a private jet to enjoy a Caribbean holiday. After attending a conference that warned of how the blight of climate change is damaging children's mental health, eco-campaigners Prince Harry and wife Meghan were branded hypocrites over their carbon-belching jaunt. They attended a summit in New York on October 10, then flew from New Jersey to Cancun in a Falcon 7X for a holiday the next day. And last Sunday, they used the same aircraft to travel 4 hours from the exclusive island hotspot to Atlanta, Georgia. Private jets burn more fuel per passenger than airliners, and the flights totaled over 4,000 miles with an estimated 9.6 tons of CO2 emissions. The New York summit they attended was organized by non-profit group Project Healthy Minds. During it, mental health advisor Zach Williams, the son of late actor Robin, warned climate change is impacting our mental health, particularly young people. Harry has repeatedly stressed his eco-credentials, including to Oprah Winfrey on Apple TV 2 years ago, saying, "I believe even more that climate change and mental health are two of the most pressing issues we're facing, and in many ways linked." Harry, 39, and Meghan, 42, launched the Travelist initiative in 2019 to urge the tourism industry to be more sustainable. In 2019, the couple faced criticism for taking 4 private jet flights in 11 days, including to Sir Elton John's home in Nice, France. And in 2021, Harry boarded a 20-seater plane for a trip home from a polo match in Aspen, Colorado. Former Lib Dem MP Norman Baker, who has studied the environmental impact of Harry and Meghan's use of private jets, said, "There's only one thing worse than damaging the environment unnecessarily through traveling habits, and that's being hypocritical about the importance of climate change." They fail on both counts. If you can't stop traveling by private jet, at least shut up about climate change. A source said the private plane Harry and Meghan used is owned by a pal, who owns a property on Cancun. They added that the couple took a commercial flight from California to New York ahead of the conference, before flying home on another commercial flight from Atlanta. Representatives of the Sussexes were approached for comment. Harry previously said he travels on commercial planes 99% of my life and occasionally needs to ensure my family are safe.